Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this video is a recipe for smoking salmon with dry brine. Let's get started.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so right now we're just gonna start by cutting this salmon in half. And then we're gonna make the brine. Okay, so for my brine, I have half a cup of kosher salt and 2 cups of brown sugar. So now we're gonna mix it together, and that's gonna create our dry brine. The sugar will give it flavor, and the salt will take out all the moisture out of the fish to get it better for smoking. That's what it looks like. It just looks like brown sugar with bits of salt in it. And we're gonna put it in a thing, put it in the container, and then put it in the fridge overnight. Now we're gonna take the brown sugar and put a little layer at the bottom of this container, and then we're gonna put the salmon on top, and then put the more brown sugar on top of the salmon, so it's gonna be covered from all sides. Okay, so now we're gonna put a little bit of brown sugar at the bottom. The brown sugar mixture. And now we're going to put the salmon in. It's like that. Like that. And now we're going to put the brown sugar on top of the salmon. Shake. Make sure it's covered, or at least partially covered on every side. And now we're going to put the lid on, and then put it in the fridge overnight.
Tomorrow.
So I originally wanted this salmon to be smoked, but I changed my mind and I decided to go with just grilling the salmon on the Traeger. I think that'll, I don't know, I just want to try that. So that's what we're going to do. So what I have here already is I've put a little bit of foil down, so if the skin does stick, it'll stick to the foil, and then I can still have the meat. So it'll still be good to go, and it won't be such a mess. So that's gonna be cool. Definitely changed the color. It became darker red, and that already looks good, but it's gonna taste even better in the Traeger. The hopper's working, pellets are going. Salmon is already on the Traeger. And it looks good right now, but I'm sure it's gonna look a lot better when it's done. My dad making faces at me while I'm filming. Temperature. So the temperature I'm going to be setting the Traeger at for the salmon to grill is 375 for 20 minutes, and then I'm going to check on it, see how it's doing, and then if it needs more, then I'll put more. If it's good, then I'll take it out and get back with you guys. So it's been about 20 minutes, it's been about 20 minutes, and I tried a piece, and I think it could go for a little bit more, so I'm just going to put it in for 10 more minutes, and yeah, it should be done by then. So, and then I'll show you the finished product. It's not all gone by the time I'm done trying it. They look really nice. You can see over there I already tried a piece. They look really nice now, and they should be done. So we're gonna try a little piece. It's done. I like it. I like the flavor. It's still got a little bit of a fishy flavor, but nothing that bugs me too much. So yeah, they're done. So I'm gonna take them out, put them on a plate, and give my brothers a little bit to try. And that right there is why you put foil on your grill. You just roll it up. and it's easy cleanup. Okay. Michael trying his piece.
Wow.
Was it good?
Yeah, let me try.
Good?
It's like slightly sweet. It's sweet?
Yeah.
I like that a lot.
Oh, your shirt really shows up. Is it good? Huh? Huh? Huh?
Amazing.
Huh? 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 Huh?
This is probably your best fishing day. Well,
So do you guys like it? It's good? Awesome. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just a short little video of a salmon recipe. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, peace.